Hello everyone, my name is Salim Shabic and welcome to a new tutorial on Moodle LMS. In our previous two tutorials we saw how to create a new course and how to edit an existing course in Moodle LMS, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can delete an existing course from Moodle LMS. So there are multiple reasons for which we might need to delete a course. Maybe it's obsolete, maybe it's not being taught anymore, maybe the content is too old, or it's too complicated to change the content and you just want a fresh start. Or for example, the department is completely closing, so there is no need for those courses. But whatever the reason is, there is a really simple way to delete courses within Moodle LMS. First of all, like every action, you need to log in to your Moodle LMS site. And of course, you need to have the appropriate privileges, which are admin, course creator, or manager. Now you need to go to the site administration in your Moodle LMS site. In the site administration area, click on courses and then click on manage courses and categories. In the categories area, you need to select the appropriate category in which the course is located. And after you do that, you can delete the course with just one click. For example, we have an old course which we no longer need, and we just want to delete it altogether with the content that's in this course, and also user assignments, user roles, and everything that's basically in this course. And to delete this course, we will just go into this right area and click on this little trash can icon. Just click delete, and in the next window confirm the deletion, and we will see a little report that everything that existed in this course has been completely deleted. Click on continue and we will get back to our course categories page. So that was it. It's really simple to delete things. It's much more complicated to add new courses, configure things and settings than to delete. So that's it. That's a simple tutorial on how to delete course in Moodle. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.